been like 6 months. The sand rail's been down. Had to get a new transmission, get it all rebuilt, new ring and pinion. Got her back up. On everybody, we made it. Got the rig out here. And it's been like 6 months. The sand rail's been down. Had to get a new transmission, get it all rebuilt, new ring and pinion, new gear ratio, everything. Pilot bearing, new flywheel, clutch. Just had to do the works, but here we are. Flip this around. Hold on, how do you flip this thing around? Got the kids playing baseball. Just rolled in, and then there she is. She's finally back out in the dunes. Probably gonna have to get the shocks rebuilt. I've been meaning to do that, but transmission redone. Let's see, and let's see how she does. Got a new ring and pinion ratio. I went from 5.43 ring and pinion, ratio to 5.14, and everyone's saying I should notice a huge difference. So I don't know, but finally got her back out here. So we'll see how she does this weekend.
Yeah, they are.
Just standing, man. Standing.
Sunset's right there, and we made it right here. So close.
My lab teacher, because lab is different from lecture. Lecture's like a big one with everybody. Lab is smaller, hands-on. He was like I think we had a class.
I gave him
Thanks, Sean.
project in there. And he's gonna come over one day and I'm gonna probably. He's gonna come over.
Got sand all over my phone.
Oh boy.
I'm worried. Well, hopefully I don't break this trying to get.
I've got regular set too.
Oh. Mine needs,
Brakes?
yeah.